AMD EPYC Genoa X processors will have more than 1 GB of L3 cache with 3D cache technology. This gives a total of 768 MB of L3 cache from 3D cache alone. Combine this with the standard L2 and L3 cache built into Zen 4 crystals, and you get a total of 1248 MB or 1.25 GB of combined L2 plus L3 cache. 1.25 GB is the largest cache capacity we've seen on any single processor to date. This massive cache capacity is designed to improve the performance of latency-sensitive workloads in the server industry, such as modeling and computational fluid dynamics. The leaked spec reveals that both Genoa X processors will have 96 cores with a combination of 1152 MB of L3 cache, 96 MB of L2 cache, and 3072 KB of L1 cache. The clock speed is 3.7 GHz, and the TDP of the chip can be configured in the range from 320 watts to 400 watts. If the leaked specs are correct, the Genoa X will be a significant upgrade in both core count and cache capacity compared to the previous generation of Milan X processors. For comparison, the previous generation AMD flagship with 3D CAC EPYC 7773X had only 64 cores and 786 MB of L3 cache. So with Genoa X, AMD actually added half the number of CCD 7773X chiplets to the new components to compensate for the 50% increase in the number of cores and the size of the L3 cache. Even compared to the regular EPYC 9004 series Genoa, the L3 cache upgrade is significant, from 384 MB on 9654/P to more than 1 GB on the Genoa X variants. It will be very interesting to see how modern HPC workloads can benefit from the massive amount of L3 cache that Genoa X offers. The previous generation of Milan X already showed amazing speed improvements thanks to the 3D cache model, with performance gains of up to 77% in some applications compared to standard Milan EPYC processors. Based on this, we wouldn't be surprised if Genoa X offers the same or greater advantage, given the additional number of cores and the Zen 4 Genoa X CPU architecture, in addition to the larger L3 cache capacity.